First, start.
My name is Nikhil Bhardwaj. I am from village Biharipur, district Bagpat in Uttar Pradesh. I have done my 12th class from CBSE board. Now I am pursuing my graduation from CCS University Meerut. I am self-confident and optimist. I never give up things easily. I want to join Indian Air Force because it's my dream since childhood, and uh, now I want to discuss about the topic future of sports in India. As you all aware that the sports has become an important part of all youngsters in India. Sports is a good thing for all of us. It will make us physically, mentally, and socially good.
Okay, thanks. Next, while talking, while speaking, don't look at me. Just look at your friends. Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
I am Som Dangi. I belong to village Kheda Salampur district Bagpat in UP. I have completed my 12th from CBSE board and I am pursuing basic 3rd year from Subhadi University Meerut. My hobbies are watching movies and playing cricket. I want to join Indian Air Force because it is a prestigious and honorable job. And in Indian Air Force there are no discrimination about religion, caste and creed. So today our topic is future of sport in India. As all of us know that there are a lack of infrastructure for sports in our country, and poor people doesn't get a chance to perform their activities and show their talent on national platform. And there are a lot of politics in also federation.
Okay, stop. Next.
Hello everyone. Firstly, I would like to thank all of you to give me this golden opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Manish Galos. I belong to Wajidpur district, Bagpat, UP West. My hobbies are playing cricket, kabaddi, and also my favorite from running. I have done my 12th from board and now I am pursuing my graduation from Subhadi University, Meerut. My strength, I have self-confident and motivated person, believe in teamwork and in action. I never give up easily.
Yes.
So now come to the topic. So today's topic is sports future in India. I think the future of sport in India is bright because our government take very advantageous decision for sports. They allow.
Good morning to all of you. My name is Ravi Kumar from village Urana, district Bagpat. About my qualification, I have done my 10 plus 2 from Siddham Inter College and now I am pursuing my graduation from CCS University Meerut. About my hobbies are reading books and playing cricket, and I want to join Indian Air Force because I want to touch the sky with glory, and when I see a soldier, my heart filled with inspire. And now we are discussing about the topic, the future of sport in India. I think that future is very necessary for every country because if we are physically and mentally fit, we make a perfect man. So, and I think that our government take many beneficial steps for health. Our government increase the number of courses and increase the sports school.
Hello friends, I am from village district Bagpat, Uttar Pradesh. I have done 12th from state board and I am pursuing BCA from Subhadi University, Meerut. My hobby, I am reading good books and playing games. My strength, I believe in teamwork. And I have positive attitude towards all things. I never give up easily. My aim, I want to enter Indian Air Force because it is a respectable job in our country. Today's my topic is sport future in India. The sports of future in India is bright because our government are going to the sports because it is like Hello India is the best.
Good afternoon everyone. My name is Vikrant. I am from Bagpat, Uttar Pradesh. I completed my 12th class from CBSE board and I am pursuing from CCS University Meerut. My strengths are I am optimistic boy. I want to join Indian Air Force because it is my parents' dream and me also. There is no discrimination between any religion or caste. So I am proud to be a part of this glorious family of Indian Air Force. Now I am going to discuss our topic. Our topic is future of sports in India. Sports play an important role for the development of our country, not on an individual as well as internationally. So in the schools of
Good afternoon friends, my name is Sagar Rajput and I belong to village Dilwari district Bagpat in UP. I have passed my 10 plus 2 in 2019 and got 85% in my intermediate class. Now I am pursuing my graduation from CCS University Meerut. My hobbies are playing cricket, watching movie, historical movie and meditation, yoga and reading books. I want to join Indian Air Force being an airman because it is a respectable job in our society and I like the charm of its uniform. My strengths are I am very self-confident and I believe in teamwork. Today's our topic is future of sports in India. Firstly, I would like to define the sport in what is the important role of sport in our life. Sport play important role in our life because it provide a
Good afternoon all. I am Siddharth Man. I belong to Adampur district, Bagpat in Uttar Pradesh. If I talk about my qualification, I passed my intermediate in 2019 with 77% and now I am pursuing my BA second year from CCS University. My hobbies are playing, studying and reading newspaper. I am very self-confident, optimistic and believes in teamwork. I want to join Indian Air Force because it is a respectable job in our society and I want to serve my country as an Indian airman and touch the sky with glory. Now I want to give some light on the topic which has been given to me, that is future of sports in India. As we all know, sports is very beneficial for us. It remains us physical fit as well as mentally and socially. But many people believe that the sports children are waste their time.
Next.
Hi, I am Ritik Kumar.
Yes, sir. Yes, please.
Hi, I am Ritik Kumar and I am from village Pyaripur, district Bagpat in UP. I completed my 12th from CBSE and O level from NILAT. Now I am pursuing BA. My hobbies are playing cricket and acting. I want to be an airman in my future. Today I am here with my topic, future of sport in India. Yeah, there are some advantages and there are some challenges in sport in India because as we see that due to lack of money, due to lack of
Okay, next.
Hello friends, my name is Kapil Kumar. I am from village Azurabad Gadi district, Bagpat in UP. My hobbies are playing cricket and reading novels. My strength, I am self-confidence. I believe in teamwork and action. I am also optimist. I never give up easily. My aim to join Indian Air Force as a man because it is a respectable job in our society. Today my topic is future of sport in India. We know, in my opinion,
Silent your
that
voice, please.
sports give us mentally fit and strong power of
Yes. Next.
Hello friends, I am Nitin Kumar and I am from Pravala village, district Bagpat in Uttar Pradesh. I have done 12th class from State Board in 2018 and now I am pursuing graduation from CCS University Meerut. My hobbies are playing cricket and reading story books and my aim, I want to join Indian Air Force and serve our nation as a defense person because I like the charm of uniform. So today's our topic is future of sports in India. I think sports play important role in our life and sports makes us healthy physically as well as mentally. Thank you.
Next.
Good afternoon to all of you. I am Sohan Tomar. I belong to village Barwala district Bagpat in Uttar Pradesh. I have done my 10 plus 2 with PCM stream. Currently I am pursuing my graduation from CCS University Meerut. My hobbies are playing cricket and listening music and my aim is to join Indian Air Force because I like the charm of its uniform. I am self-confident and I
Ready
believe
for
in
second
teamwork.
round.
Today our topic
Make
is
plan.
the future of sports in India. As you all know that sports plays a very important role in the life of every youngster and it is help the youngsters to remain fit mentally and physically. It also creates the sense of discipline and the sense of teamwork which is necessary thing to live a healthy life.
Next.
My name is Jarana. I am from village Gadabra district Bagpat in Uttar Pradesh. I passed my 12th class from State Board and currently I am pursuing my graduation from CCS University Meerut. My hobbies are playing outdoor games and reading books. I want to join Indian Air Force because it is a respectable job in our society and the motto of the airport, to touch the sky with glory, inspired me very much. Now I want to discuss the topic on future of the sports in India. In my opinion, sports field is a very good option for today's youngsters because it provides you better future and physically fit. But there are some challenges in the future of the sports in India, as infrastructure change and low percentage of the government requirement and heavy fees of the sports authority. Thank you.
Nice. Next.
Hello friends, my name is Shiva. I am from Sabha district, Bagpat in Uttar Pradesh. I have passed my 12th class with 75% marks in BCM stream from UP board. Now I am pursuing my graduation from Chaudhary Charan Singh University, Meerut. My aim is to join Indian Air Force because it's my childhood dream and in this way I want to serve my country. As you know, today we are discussing the topic future sports in India. In my opinion, sports are very important to make our youth physically and mentally fit.
Nice. Stop.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon to all of you. First of all, I would like to say thank you for giving me an opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Kumar. I have done my 10 plus 2 from Sri Central College of Mineral Science District, Bagpat. I born and brought up in Mohikalan, Bagpat. My father's name is Sarwan Kumar and he is a farmer. My mother's name is Sushila Devi and she is a housewife. My motto is to be an airman in Indian Air Force. My hobbies are playing cricket and reading books. That's all. Now I discuss the topic of the sports future of India.
Next.
My name is Manoj Kumar. I belong to Bros district, Bagpat, UP. I have done my 10 plus 2 from state board. Now I am pursuing my BA from CCS University, Meerut. I am very self-confident and believe in teamwork. My aim in life is to be an airman because I want to be a part of Indian Air Force and I want to serve my nation. Today our topic is future in sports. Nowadays, sports became a very essential part of our society. It helps us to keep mentally fit. Our government also help us to go ahead in sport by initiative of Khelo India Youth Games. Thank you.
Nice. Next.
Hello friends, my name is Rohit Sharma. I belong to Jodi district, Bagpat in Uttar Pradesh. I complete 12 from CCS from Central Board and now I am pursuing BA from CCS University, Meerut. My hobbies are playing cricket and chess. My aim, I want to join Indian Air Force because it is a respectable job in our society. I have self-confidence. I believe in action. Now the topic is future of sport in India. Sports is the main role in our future. Thank you.
Next.
Hello friends, my name is Amit Sharma. I belong to Jodi district, Bagpat in UP. I have completed my 12th from CBSE board in 2019. Now I am pursuing BA from CCS University in Meerut. My hobbies are playing chess and cricket, reading book also. I want to join Indian Air Force because its uniform is very attractive and the charm of this job is increasing day by day. My strength are I am self-confident. I believe in teamwork also. Now the given topic is future of sport in India. Sport is very important role in our life or daily life because it keep us mentally or physically fit both.
Nice. Stop.